Investing in a high-quality dishwasher can significantly simplify your life, eliminating the hours spent washing dishes by hand and alleviating concerns about their cleanliness. However, with so many options available, selecting the right dishwasher can be quite overwhelming. To assist you in this process, we have compiled a list of the top models on the market to help you identify the best fit for your needs. When choosing a dishwasher, it's essential to consider your budget and desired features, such as effective cleaning, noise levels, style, affordability, and smart technology. Here goes our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 5. Whirlpool WDF520PADM. For buyers who are particularly mindful of their budget, the Whirlpool WDF520PADM offers a perfect blend of affordability and functionality, providing exceptional performance for the price. With a price tag of less than $500, this model ensures that even budget-conscious households can access a reliable, well-performing dishwasher. It is designed to maximize interior space with the addition of an indoor silverware rack, which cleverly frees up valuable room in the lower rack, making it possible to fit up to 14 place settings with ease. The model includes 4 available cycles, such as heavy, normal, high temperature, and a 1-hour wash, providing ample options depending on the type of dishes being washed. In addition, sanitized and heated dry options offer flexibility, ensuring that dishes come out sparkling clean and dry after every wash. Despite its lower price point, this Whirlpool model still performs impressively, offering many of the same features found in higher-end models, making it a standout among budget-friendly dishwashers. Although the sound level of this model is slightly higher at 55 decibels, it is still within the acceptable range for most households, though it is slightly noisier than its more expensive counterparts. The exterior design, which includes a stainless steel finish, lends a modern look to the appliance, but it may feel slightly less robust, and some users may find it prone to dents if not handled with care. Number 4. Samsung DW50T6060US. The Samsung DW50T6060US stands out in the compact dishwasher category, offering a blend of high performance and a space-saving design that is perfect for smaller kitchens or homes where space is at a premium. Measuring just 18 inches wide, this compact dishwasher is ideal for apartments or homes with limited kitchen space, yet it does not compromise on performance. Despite its compact size, it is capable of holding up to 8 place settings, making it a practical choice for smaller households or those with less frequent dishwashing needs. One of the standout features of this Samsung model is its auto-release door, which automatically opens at the end of each wash cycle. This feature allows air to circulate more freely, cooling the dishes quickly and improving the overall drying performance, ensuring that your dishes are ready to use sooner. Operating at an impressively quiet 46 decibels, this dishwasher is a great option for those who prefer a quieter environment, particularly in open-plan kitchens where noise levels can be a concern. The model includes tines in the bottom rack that can be folded down to accommodate larger dishes or cookware, while the adjustable top rack allows for easy maneuvering to fit different-sized items. While the 18-inch width means that the dishwasher has a smaller capacity than full-size models, it still provides ample room for daily dishwashing needs, particularly for smaller families or individuals. Number 3. Kitchenaid KDFE204KPS. For individuals who place a high value on minimizing noise in their kitchen, the Kitchenaid KDFE204KPS is one of the best choices available, offering exceptionally quiet operation without sacrificing cleaning power. With a noise level of only 39 decibels, this model operates at an almost whisper-quiet level, making it an excellent choice for open-plan homes where the kitchen is in close proximity to bedrooms, offices, or living spaces. Even during its longest cycles, the noise generated is so minimal that it's easy to forget the dishwasher is even running, ensuring a peaceful and quiet environment for the rest of the household. This dishwasher includes several thoughtful design features, such as a third rack that provides extra room for utensils, cutlery, and other smaller items, which helps free up valuable space in the lower racks for larger dishes. Additionally, the ProWash soil sensors automatically adjust the wash cycle based on the soil level of the dishes, ensuring a thorough and efficient clean every time. An extended heat-dry option is also available, which works to evaporate even the most persistent drops of water from plasticware or other hard-to-dry items. Number 2. Bosch SHEM63W55N. Bosch's 300 series dishwasher, the SHEM63W55N, continues to be one of the most popular and highly rated models available, offering a winning combination of performance, features, and value. Priced competitively, this Bosch model holds up to 16 place settings, making it an ideal option for larger households or those who frequently entertain guests. With a versatile third rack included, it offers a variety of adjustable options to suit any load, whether it's a small family meal or a dinner party cleanup. The middle rack is easily adjustable to accommodate larger items, and the flexible tines in the lower rack make it easier to load odd-shaped dishes, pots, or pans. This model comes with 5 wash cycles, including heavy, auto, normal, rinse, and a quick 1-hour cycle for smaller or less dirty loads. Additionally, there are 4 specialty modes available, such as delay start, half load, sanitize, and extra dry, which give users more control over how they wash their dishes. Operating at a quiet 44 decibels, the Bosch SHEM63W55N ensures a peaceful kitchen environment, and its sleek, stainless steel design adds a modern, sophisticated touch to any kitchen space. However, users with small children should note that the stainless steel finish can be prone to fingerprints, requiring more frequent cleaning. Number 1. LG LDT7808BD. If you're looking for a high-tech, modern dishwasher that offers the latest in smart technology, the LG LDT7808BD is a top-tier choice, equipped with Wi-Fi capability that allows it to communicate with your phone or other devices. Through a mobile app or even voice commands, you can remotely start or stop a cycle, lock the controls to prevent accidents, or check on the status of the wash without having to be near the appliance. These smart features make the LG LDT7808BD particularly convenient for households that appreciate seamless integration of their appliances with their smart home systems. In addition to its advanced smart technology, this LG dishwasher includes LED lights inside, allowing you to easily see into the dishwasher during a cycle, which can be especially helpful for those curious about the process or if you simply want to keep an eye on things. The dishwasher offers an impressive range of wash cycles and cleaning modes, ensuring that every load of dishes is thoroughly cleaned to your liking. However, the LG LDT7808BD comes with a higher price tag, which may not be suitable for budget-conscious shoppers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.